Alright, everybody's always asking me, how do I film these awesome videos? Just kidding, nobody ever asks. I did just recently get this phone gimbal, and it came with this little tripod part. And then you drop it, and then it screws onto here. So you can either use it to hold. I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand. It screws on, and then it all then it opens. You can do the whole thing. This is just one of those Pelican cases from Harbor Freight. Got it for $10. Worked great. Full review on this one. Nobody asks for it. So what we're gonna do, when I bought this Jeep, it has this tiny little synthetic rope. This winch was on it. It has this tiny little, I believe it's a UTV or like ATV winch cable. It's super thin. So because this is a 1900s 9,000 pound Harbor Freight winch that was on the Jeep when I got it, I did go and pick up this 12,000 pound Badland cable, but it says that it's for the 12,000 pound winch. The end cable is just this. And I know on my old Warn that I used to have years ago, it had kind of like a cable end with a bolt. So I'm not actually sure what's on the inside of this. So we're gonna find out if we're putting on a new winch cable today, or if this is gonna go back on. I had to use this twice in our off-roading adventures, and I was oh Jesus! What are you doing down there? You alright? Alright, so we had to use this twice. Once to pull Skylar out of the mud, and I needed it that I got zero footage of us pulling me out of... Oh, cool. It's gonna work. Pulling me up the huge hill that I went up. Looks like this just pulls out. Oh, there's an Allen. News to me. Wait, is that an Allen? Alright, we need an Allen wrench. Be back. I got butterfingers today. I keep dropping the phone. Alright, so got the 4mm Allen wrench to take this set screw out. And now let's... Oh man, I keep blocking the camera. Let's see what happens now. Probably gonna have to take it all the way out. Yep. And then make sure you lose the set screw. Alright, got the set screw out. Let's set that on your Jeep where it can fall and you can lose it forever. Rotate this thing back down. Hey, I got it. Pull it through there. Alright, now I'm going to put you on a tripod and we're going to open this up and feed it. I don't know how long that was, but this is definitely longer. The Harbor Freight cable comes with some zippy ties. I'm going to cut these off with our sponsored snap-on pliers. Thanks, DR. Oh. So we're just gonna take this and throw that over there so it can become a huge mess. always make sure you keep your winch controller inside of a bag so it doesn't get all gross in your Jeep. One of the problems I've always had with this winch, since it's used and very old, is that most times when I plug this in, it doesn't want to work. It works. Alright, so let's get this in here. Ow! Alright, let's get that Allen wrench screw, or the Allen set screw that you lost and had to find. I didn't lose it. And put it back in. Or try to put it back in. Helps if you have tiny little hands. Snug it up. Get it real tight. Then get your gloves or stuff from Harbor Freight. These are some leather gloves that I got for the spring cleanup at Anthracite Off-Road Adventure area. A little big. So then we're gonna lock this pig in. Gonna hold her. And go. I was gonna say, make sure you don't let it go loose and get all flimsy, because it needs to kind of contour. I didn't do that. It would be so much easier to have this hooked to another vehicle so I could just winch it in with them, like... You don't want to get your fingers stuck. This sucks. If you ever sell a Jeep with a winch on it, make sure you don't put a piece of shit. Put something bad on it. Just sucks because brand new cable, it's all wrapped around. Stop hitting the camera. So, you want to make sure you wear gloves for a couple reasons. Reason one, the winch cables are super just gross and dirty. And two, because if there's a little nick or a cut, it will slice you up. Filming outside. In the darkness. Yeah, that looks much better. So this cable fills out the whole spool completely, where this is poo. Again, I like to keep my winch remote in this nice little orange to match the... What did I call this thing? I have no idea. I have a name for it. I don't remember what it is. So smooth. But the problem I had is with the last time I needed the winch, it spooled so slowly because this synthetic rope that's not meant to handle a 3,000-pound Jeep, it was wrapped all the way on the inside of the on the spool, and it just spun so slow. Where this, that it has that much, will spool faster, and it was in no way you know, fatigued down. Can you see? I know you can't. That's a trick question. Nope, not that one. Hey! Make sure we put our... Oh my god, it's so dark. Ta-da. One day we'll clean up that wiring. Just kidding, we won't. Hey, I have... You can't even see. All right, we're done for tonight. Later.